Hello and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So let's say, for example, if you're having a questionnaire and you want the response to be in a drop-down list where user can select from list of options. This is how you do it in Excel. And this is what I mean. Like if you're having this questionnaire now, what is your birth month? All right. You click on this drop-down arrow here. You select your birth month. What is your favorite month? You select February. All right. What is your favorite fruit? Click the drop down. You select any of these. Mine is banana. All right. Then what is your gender? You can simply select male. All right. So this is how a drop down list function in Excel. So I'm going to show you how to create this drop down list in Microsoft Excel. Stick to the end. So currently I have cleared the drop down. You can see there's no drop down button here. So I'm going to be showing you how to create this drop down list on each of these cells. All right. First thing first, you have to highlight the cell you want to add the drop down list to. But before you do that, make sure you create another sheet where you list your months of the year or kind of route so that it will make it easier for you to create a drop down list. Just create a sheet, list them in one corner. All right. So you select the cell where you want to add the drop-down list. Then from your home tab, you move to data. All right. Under data tool, you'll see data validation. You click on it. All right. So here, where it says any value, you select list. Then here is asking for the source. Now this is where you have to add the items on the list. So you click on this arrow. Then go to the sheet where you listed the month, then highlight the months of the year. All right, it will reflect here. Press the enter key. You can see it's showing you the range of cells where it's going to contain the data sets. So click OK. Now you've created your drop-down list for the first cell. All right, what is your birth month? You can see you can easily select whichever is your birth month. Okay. So if you want to do same for the next question, which is also talking about month, you can simply drag down. Okay. Simply click on the edge and drag down. Then you can clear it. You can add a different month here. Okay. So that is if it is talking about the same thing, like month, year, whatever. Just make sure it is the same. Then you can just click at the corner and drag down. Otherwise, if I want to create for my favorite fruits here, so I will click on the cell. You can see there's no drop down link here. Do the same, go to data, locate data validation under data tool, click on it. Here you select list, then source, then you come and highlight the source here where you must have listed the fruits. Okay. Then click OK. Now it has created a drop down whereby if the question is asking what's your favorite fruit, simply click on this button here, select your favorite fruit. All right. Then last but not the least is gender. Now there's something very important I want to show you about this gender drop down list. So if you go to data, then data validation and click on it. Here you select list as usual. So where it's talking about source, if what you're going to be listing on the drop down list are not many, all right, let's say there are 2 or 3 or 4, you can actually type them in this space separated by a comma. All right. So for instance, now we're going to be talking about male, comma, female. All right. So there are just 2 options. You can type them and click OK. So the drop down list has been created. When you click on it, it will ask you either male or female. Easy peasy. All right. So this is the simple way you can create drop down lists in Microsoft Excel. Okay. Then according to the settings, there are other things you can attach to it, but I think I will leave that for the next video. I want to make this short and simple. More like, if you leave it blank, is there going to be an error? If you type any other thing, maybe it's asking for a favorite month, you now said mango. Sorry. You now said mango. She'll be able to give you error, okay? Because it's not data type that is expected. It's not one of the options that is expected. So how you are going to set all this, I'm going to show you in my next video. So guys, if you find value in this video, do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question regarding this, do well to drop it in the comment section. It will be duly attended to. See you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.